How to add your business to Google Maps 2022. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be discussing how you can add your very own business in Google Maps in 2022. It's going to be very simple, very easy, and I'm going to walk you through it all. And I just want you to sit back, relax, and properly listen to all of my instructions till the end of the video. And I guarantee you that if you do that, you're going to properly know how to add your business on Google Maps. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, before I should give you a disclaimer, if your business is already claimed on Google Maps, you can request to claim it, and if you have solid proof that it is your business, then there is going to be no issue and Google is going to name it to your name. So once we have that aside, let's go to Google Maps. So first of all, obviously you're going to load in your Google Maps. Now once you've loaded in your Google Maps, you're going to come over here to the top left where it says menu. You're going to click on menu, and you're going to come down here where it says add your business. Now once you click on add your business, what it's going to do is it's going to bring you here, and it says get your business discovered on Google search, maps, and more. Now you're obviously going to put in your business name, so let's say it's some type of electronics business and co. You're just going to put that in, then you're going to continue. Once you do that, it says select all that applies to your business. So it is, if it's an online retail, you can put that. If it's a local store service business, if it's both or all three of them, you can put that in. And once you do that, you're going to click on next, enter a business category. Obviously it's electronics, so you're going to put that in. Then you're going to click on next. Once you click on next, you're just going to enter your address, and from there on out, you just need to verify your details, and that is it. That is all you need to do to verify and successfully add your business to Google Maps in 2022. I hope this video was easy for you and much helpful to you. If you liked the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. And if you want to see more videos and tutorials like this, please let me know and I will make so much more for you. If you have any queries related to this video, let me know that as well, and I'll help you as soon as I can in the comments. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.